In this video, we are going to unbox a hair dryer by Philips, which is HP8100/46 hair dryer. The box of the trimmer is pretty basic and subtle. There are no features printed on the box. So let's move ahead and have a look at the design of the product. The design is pretty compact and ergonomic, which will give you a nice grip on this product. This dryer from Philips is very light, which makes it easy to handle, plus it makes it easy to store. At the base of the handle, it has an easy storage hook as well, which will provide another storage option. You can hang it to a wall using this hook. The concentrator of this dryer is pretty narrow. This narrow concentrator will provide you with precision for better styling and touch-ups. There are two flexible speed settings in this dryer. Using this button, you can choose the speed of your dryer. One unique feature in this dryer, which I personally like, is its thermoprotect technology. This thermoprotect technology provides the optimal drying temperature while giving additional protection. The wattage of this dryer is also pretty appealing. It has a 1000-watt wattage that will create the optimum level of airflow and gentle drying power for great results every day. What's more, this fine hair dryer from Philips comes with a 2-year warranty.